Yeah, so the start procedure for a World Superbike race, the pit lane opens 20 minutes before the start of the race, which is quite a long time. Me personally, I'm not one of the first guys out the pit lane. I like to wait a minute or two, get round to the grid. We still have enough time to change tyres on the grid. We're not really doing anything else on the grid. Fresh tyres. We already have a plan of what we're going to do with the bike. That's all organised and thought about before. So from the bike point of view, not much happens. From my personal point of view, yeah, I'm normally focusing on a few main points of the race. Normally have a bit of a plan. You sort of know more or less the pace you're going to be doing, maybe where you qualify, thinking about the start. I try not to think too much about what might happen. This is always, I think, negative. So I try to just focus on imagining the start, getting a good start. That normally dictates how the race goes. So I wouldn't say I get too nervous on the grid. Yes, I normally take a little seat out onto the grid, sit there, try to relax a little bit. It seems to take a long time sometimes, especially when it's hot. Got your leathers on and you're sweating too much. And yeah, I try to be as calm as possible. Obviously, when I was younger, I guess I was more nervous in that moment. Now I just try to focus on the things that matter, be relaxed. Like I said, enjoy it with some of the guests that are on the grid. It's a nice experience for them. And then as soon as you get started on the race, you're in the zone and ready for it. So it's an enjoyable time. It seems to take a lot longer than the 20 minutes, but it's let's say the calm before the storm of a World Superbike race. But I try to enjoy all of it.
Before the race, I like to warm a little bit in my office, stay alone 20 minutes, try to warm up my body and start to focus on the race. After, I go on the box, sit, check the last things before the race with my crew chief, electronics and everything. And after, honestly, I like to stay silent, to not speak a lot, because what we had to do, we did until there. So we don't have a lot to say, and I start to focus. And after, when we go on grid, I start to think about what I have to do during the race, what can happen, and nothing. I hope the time go fast, because you feel a lot the pressure on the grid, and you want only to start. And yeah, when you start, everything start to be like, it's strange, but start to be more calm, because you are doing what you know to do, and it's like this. 15 minutes before the race, the start of the race, I take a gel to have a little bit of energy during the race. And when it's too hot, I take also a chair. I always try to go like in the grass, because the temperature is more low, to try to stay more fresh for the race.